Howdy folks, it's Handsome, and today we're going to the basics. I have to take this back, way back, because a lot of customers don't know how to send in their cameras, don't know how to package their cameras, and I'm getting a lot of crazy packaging. It's going to damage your camera further in the traveling process to me. Before we get started, hit that like, hit that subscribe, let's move on. For example, today, you hear that? That sounds horrible. I haven't opened this yet. I covered up the customer's name. She'll probably see it on here anyway. Crazy is I haven't even opened this yet at all. Not one time, so I don't even know. I can just tell from the way that it sounds that it's just rattling around in there. And that's not good because this point and shoot camera has impact damage already. Now looky here. We have no packaging at all on the inside, and it's just in a logic case by itself, just chilling with the lens extended. And let me guess, the battery is in there. So of course the on and off was probably constantly being turned on and off, and it's just rattling around. Don't do this. You send me this, something else could happen to your camera. So the quote that I've already given you is not accurate at all, because there's more damage. Not necessarily, but it is a high percentage of extra damage happening. This is crazy. I'm gonna go a step further, and I got another one in a bigger box. Getting a little crazy, y'all. Let's go ahead and see what's in this one real quick. Wow, looky here. So we have minimal packaging, just the camera rattling around, you know. So this was just living La Vida Loca inside of the box. Let's go ahead and step through this really quick. So let's say I'm this customer. I need to send this to Handsome's Repairs because he is the best repairman on the planet. Bubble wrap. You have your smaller little bubbles. They even make them to where you can put the device or whatever you're trying to ship inside and then wrap it just like so. Boom. You could put it in the corner, wherever, and then you can just constantly boom, boom, boom. And then don't forget tape. I gotta say every single step, because if I don't, you're not gonna use tape. You'll throw it in this and then throw it in the box. Get you some tape, and then you secure what you're wrapping in the bubble wrap. Boom, boom. Have bigger bubbles to protect it even more. So you can go boom, boom, Bob's your uncle. Boom. So now we are protected. The bubble wrap is what is securing and taking care of the item being sent. Just because the camera is defective or broken doesn't mean you can just throw it in a box and send it to me. I mean, I guess you could. These people do, and you know, people will keep doing it. But you gotta bubble wrap these items when you send them to me. Please. Shouldn't have to start giving discounts to people that send their gear in bubble wrap, bubble wrap, bubble wrap, bubble wrap. This probably won't be the last video I make about packaging. Y'all know you can get boxes anywhere. Uline, Home Depot, Lowe's, all those good places. I like to keep it 666. 888. There's different size boxes, people. Even go to the UPS store, FedEx store, or the post office with the item and have them package it in front of you with bubble wrap in the correct box. Padding, all that stuff. But at the end of the day, we need to make sure that we are shipping the cameras to me safely, securely, and packaged well. I appreciate everybody's time. Hopefully this is informative. Stay positive, stay focused, hit that like, subscribe, and y'all know the deal. Peace! I'm no joke, you know, I'm no joke, y'all. I'm no joke, you know, I'm no joke, y'all.